Yes, let's look at these JAMB Past Question Chemistry 2018, question number 8. The boiling of fats and aqueous caustic soda is referred to as A. Hydrolysis, B. Esterification, C. Acidification, D. Saponification. Now, if you look at these options, you'll see that basically we know the meaning of a hydrolysis, which is when you want to get something with water. Esterification, the reaction of ethanol with acid to form esters. Acidification, getting something with an acid. Then saponification is the hydrolysis of fats and oil with caustic alkali to yield propane 1,2,3-triol and the corresponding sodium and potassium salts of the component fatty acids. And these salts are actually the principal constituents of soap. So saponification is the process of producing soap by hydrolyzing it with fats, by hydrolyzing the fat with caustic soda. So the process here is actually saponification when you look at these definitions. So I'm gonna state the definition of saponification. Saponification, very, very importantly, is the hydrolysis. You can see this topic in organic chemistry 2. Hydrolysis of fats and oils with caustic alkali. You can see this in the definition given up there, making saponification the right answer. Hydrolysis of fats and oil with caustic alkali, yielding or producing propane 1,2,3 propane 1,2,3-triol and the corresponding sodium and potassium salts of the component fatty acids. So saponification is actually used in soap production. So the salts of these are sodium and potassium. They are actually the major components of the soap. So we use saponification for soap production. So in saponification, what happens is actually you have your fat or oil. In this case, we are using fat. So fat or oil plus caustic alkali. In this case, we are using caustic soda, aqueous caustic soda. So if you have these two combined, you're gonna have soap. And you know that soap is actually the sodium and potassium salts. That's the soap. Then what else do we have? We now have what we call propane 1,2,3-triol. So that's how you produce your soap. So that's how soap is produced. So this is the process of soap formation, saponification, and that makes D the right answer to this saponification. Thank you.